Hi, listen up, because what I'm about to say might sting a little, but it's the truth you needed. There are 7 habits quietly making you ugly. Yeah, ugly. Not just in looks, but in energy, in vibe, in how people feel when you walk into a room. You might have a sharp jawline, nice outfit, good genetics, but if you carry these habits, you're done. And the worst part, most people have no clue they're doing them. Let's start with the most common one, sleep neglect. So you walk around with dark circles, low energy, yawning every 5 minutes, and somehow think coffee can fix it. It can't. Sleep deprivation kills your attractiveness faster than anything else. And people can literally see when you're exhausted. Your eyes lose spark, your face looks strange, your energy feels off. In one study, people rated tired faces as less healthy and less attractive. You know why? Because when you look tired, you feel tired and that energy leaks out. You're not radiating strength, you're radiating burnout. You want to look instantly better? Fix your damn sleep, go to bed early, wake up with purpose. Energy is magnetic, exhaustion is repellent. Now let's talk about the second habit, constant complaining. You know, that person who always has something negative to say, the one who can turn a sunny day into a therapy session. That's you if you keep talking about what's wrong instead of what's possible. Complaining makes you ugly because it drains energy, yours and everyone else's. It signals weakness. People don't want to be around someone who's always talking about what's missing. Be the one who brings perspective, not problems. Life's hard, we get it. But the difference between winners and whiners is focus. Winners fix things, whiners feed things. Which one are you? Third, and this one's sneaky, you don't listen. You're waiting to talk, not listening to understand. You think every conversation is a chance to perform, not connect. That's ugly. People remember how you make them feel, not how smart or funny you sounded. When you interrupt, when you make everything about you, when you're judging or distracted, you kill attraction. Listening is power. It shows control, confidence, and care. Have you ever seen someone really present in a conversation? It's magnetic. Their attention feels like sunlight. Learn that skill. Shut up and listen. You'll be shocked how much more attractive you become. Fourth, you're unreliable. You say you'll do something and don't. You show up late. You make promises and break them. You live like your word means nothing. That's not mysterious. That's unattractive. Reliability is rare, and rare is beautiful. If you tell someone you'll be somewhere, be there. If you say you'll get it done, do it. People are drawn to consistency, not chaos. The person who keeps their word becomes instantly more respected, and respect is the foundation of attraction. Fifth, you stop caring about hygiene and appearance. And no, this isn't about expensive clothes or fancy skincare. It's about discipline. Clean nails, fresh breath, washed face, smelling good. Iron clothes. You don't need designer, you need effort. The way you present yourself tells the world how much you value yourself. If you can't take care of your own body, how are you supposed to handle anything else? You don't need perfection, you need standards. Take pride in yourself. 6, you brag too much. You talk about yourself like you're your own PR manager. You constantly tell people how great you are, what you've achieved, what you've bought. You think you're impressing them, but you're just exhausting them. Real confidence doesn't need announcements. It's quiet, it's calm. Is controlled. You want to be attractive? Stop performing. Let people discover your greatness through your actions, not your mouth. Arrogance screams insecurity. Confidence whispers certainty. 7th, and this one is killing modern attraction. You're addicted to your phone. You can't even make eye contact anymore. You're scrolling through other people's lives while ignoring your own. You're in conversations half present, face lit up by blue light, nodding while your brain's on Instagram. That's not just unattractive, it's disrespectful. You can't connect with people if your attention is split. The sexiest thing in a world full of distractions, focus. Look people in the eye. Be present. Make them feel seen. That's power. Let's be real. These habits aren't just about looks. They're about how you live. You can't outstyle laziness. You can't outgroom bad energy. Attraction starts with how you carry yourself, how you think, how you treat people, how you show up daily. You can be physically perfect, but if you're constantly negative, unreliable, unkempt, and disconnected, people feel that and they'll run from it. Here's the good news, you can fix all of this. None of these habits are permanent. You don't need surgery, you don't need fame, you don't need filters, you just need accountability. Pick one of these habits today and kill it. Start sleeping better. Stop complaining. Keep your word. Take a shower. Be present. And watch what happens. Because when you start fixing these small things, everything about you changes. You look better, you move better, you speak differently, you stop chasing validation because you become validation. You don't need to convince anyone you're valuable. You live like you are. So ask yourself right now, are your habits making you uglier or stronger? Be brutally honest, because looks fade. but energy doesn't. And your habits, they write your story. You want to be magnetic. Fix the things no one sees, because those are the things that change everything people feel. Start today. Kill the ugly habits. Build the strong ones. The world doesn't need another pretty face. It needs people who show up sharp, alive, and unapologetically real.